Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Liz the Stylist, and today I'll be giving a tutorial on how to do spring twists on natural type 4 hair. So this is my hair, damp and prepped. I used some leave-in treatment and hair food, and that's that. I did not straighten because I want my hair to blend in with the extension that I'm using. So this is the extension that I'm using. It's spring twists from Darling. I used 1.5 packs in the color number 2 because again I wanted the hair to blend with, the extension to blend with my hair, because my hair is not really black. So that's why I used this number 2 color. So I used one strand hairpiece extension, I'm not sure what to call it, for 3 pieces of twists. I don't know if I'm making sense, like one strand, one piece of extension for 3 twists. You could do thinner pieces or thicker pieces, it all depends on you and your preference. So the size of your twists depend on you. If you want thinner sizes, you could do smaller sections with less amount of extension. If you want thicker twists, you could try using more extensions for each twist. I prefer working in sections because it's much easier and it's easier to manipulate your head. So I'm starting with the back of my head. Also, using a rat tail comb really helps, especially when you want neater sectioning. So the method of installing that I used is I first braid my own hair until like halfway through, quarter way through, and then I go in with my crochet and I install the extension. By doing this, your twists will have no knots and it will be neater. It will look more natural. So that's the first twist, and then you clip off the ends. So I want you to watch as I do this twist and internalize what I've just explained. First, start by braiding my own hair. Quarter way through, and then I go in with my crochet hook, and then I start by braiding the extension along with my hair for like 5, 6 times, 7 times. And then I transition into twisting it. This is the first section and this is how it turned out. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay
Once I'm done with the twists, I go in with my scissors. And this is the final look, guys. I love this hair. Super light, ouchless, blends in with my hair. This is the hairstyle you definitely need to try out. I'll definitely post a tutorial on how to style these twists, so be on the lookout, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.